Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh and I'd like to welcome you to this Canadian OneHome tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to search properties using the map. To do this, you'll first need to ensure that toggle switch is enabled so that we can see where our properties are located on the map. And from here, you'll notice that the properties currently in view on the right are the same ones associated with the thumbnails on the left. Now, in addition to the default road view, maps can also be updated to display in satellite view, hybrid view, and finally, a terrain view, which gives a 3D interpretation of the area. Below that is a tool that allows you to draw a custom shape that isolates a specific area. Now, to explore an area with a larger group of listings, simply click on any of the clusters to reveal the properties they contain. And from here, select a specific property to view a quick snapshot of additional information, including the ability to compare it to other listings. Or for activated accounts, mark the property as a favorite or discarded. And finally, to see a detailed description of the listing, we can also view the property's full display. Next, we're going to explore the INRIX drive time layer. And this is a great tool to show properties that are within a certain driving distance of a location that we specify. For this example, we're going to assume that my intention is to leave home at 8 o'clock in the morning. And ideally, I'm looking for all properties that are within a 20-minute drive of my office. And we can see that OneHome has isolated an area containing all of the properties that match our driving criteria. And from here, we can zoom in to use the points of interest layer to help identify specific points of interest located near properties that we're interested in. And just like with the listing, we'll need to click on any of the markers for additional information about the location. And finally, another item that we may want to include in our search is a layer showing the public and private schools in the area. To do this, simply click on the schools layer, then select the type, level, and the language that you'd like to include in your results. And again, click on any of the markers for a detailed overview of the associated school. In addition to this, for some schools, we can also see an outline of the area containing those who typically attend. All right, well, this concludes this Canadian OneHome tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.